Yallage namaskara, Yangidia. So let's start with a short review of the mygate lock plus. I covered few features in my last video, kind of how you operate it, and what's the deadbolt, what's the automated bolt. So what I wanted to cover is how you can access this particular door from anywhere in the world and unlock it. So there are two ways to do that. If you're not at home, one is you can create an OTP, one-time password, and send it to your relatives or friends via an SMS, or you just read out to them. Second is you create a PIN and then share it with them. But the easiest way is to tap on the app which says unlock and open it. For that, you need to make sure that you buy one more device. You can buy it either from Amazon or from mygate itself. That's called Gateway from mygate. It's going to cost you roughly around 2,500. Available both on the mygate's website, on their app, and also on Amazon. This mygate lock plus model is around 15,000, and this is the gateway that I was talking about, the white one. So what you need to do is you need to connect this gateway to 2.5 gigahertz network at home, the wireless network, and you do the same thing for the phone. Once you do that, you can go to the app and unlock it from anywhere in the world. I'll show you how to do that. So coming to the app, you have two apps that you can use. One is mygate smart device, which is a standalone app. So if your society is not using mygate services, you can use the mygate smart devices app, add your lock and operate it from there. If your society is already on mygate, then you have a different app which is called mygate. You open that, and if you have not configured it before, you select the country where you are. So we are going to select India. Then you select the city where you are. So we are going to select Bangalore, and then it's going to ask you to select the city. The society. Once you enter the name of the society, as long as they're on mygate, using their services, it will show up here. You select that, go ahead, and you are done. If you have this already set up, then you will have an option to add the lock. You use that option, and again you're set. So what I'm going to do is, my society is not on mygate services, so I'm going to show you how the standalone app works, and the options to add the lock are the same. So let's go ahead and see how that is done. So once you open the app, if you have already configured your lock, this is how it's going to look. It will have welcome, your name, and then the name of the building. If you have selected that, like that name field is editable, you can select whatever you want. So I have selected the name of my building, and I have my name here, that's why I just hidden that. This is how the lock will look. And then once you click on the details, you have something like this which says tap to unlock. And if you can see there, because I have the gateway, it says you can unlock from anywhere. If the gateway is not there, then this unlock will work only within the Bluetooth range. So please keep that in mind. And then you have an option here which says users and access OTP. So if you go into user and access, you get different options, like you can create a profile and then add the option of PIN, OTP, RFID, fingerprint. The reason you need to create a profile is that if you don't have a profile, and if you give someone access, then anytime they open, it will show your name. So for example, if your name is, say, Vinay, right? Or for that matter, XYZ. So if XYZ creates the profile and is an admin, and then XYZ decides to give access to someone, say a fingerprint access, to say ABC, whenever the person ABC opens the lock, it will show XYZ has opened it and not ABC. So what you need to do is, there's an option to create a profile. So you create a profile, name that profile as ABC, and then give the access of fingerprint or PIN or OTP. And that way, when ABC opens the lock, you will get a notification saying that ABC has opened the lock, and it will also give you the method they have used to open the lock. And that way you will be able to track a logbook. And the app also has a logbook which will tell you who accessed the lock at what time and what method was used to open it. And it's tamper proof. If someone tries to use a fingerprint or something which is not correct more than 2 or 3 times, it will get locked for about 5 minutes. and it will also give alerts. You will get notified about it. And there is also a real-time status which you get, which is a little delayed in this model, but you do get notifications. However, they have an upgraded model which is called mygate Lock Pro. That has some more features on this. I have ordered that as well. Hopefully I will get it today or tomorrow, and then once I install it, I will review that and share the details with you. And if you have any specific questions, please put them in comment and I will try to answer them for you. Thank you so much.